Hey everyone, today we're at the little White House in Key West, Florida. This was President Truman's home in Key West while he was president. Very historic place. I've been to Key West before and I didn't realize this was here. I don't know why. It's the little White House. This is the presidential limousine. You can pay to tour the whole house, but you can actually go in for free. You can walk around the grounds. You can look at the car, check it out. Of course, you can't go behind those chains. There's a gift shop, and you can go inside the house, and there are areas with, um, a lot of free information. So that tells you a little bit about the car. There's the gift shop, the entrance, and you buy a ticket in the front out in the yard under the tent, and you can check out all of this information. You just can't go any further unless you pay to go on the tour. But it was very interesting. We were short on time, so we did not do the whole tour. But there are free things to do in Key West, believe it or not. And this was a great one, I thought, if you're a history buff. Yeah, just lots of photos, information, and a little sitting room with the TV going with news from that time. So please subscribe to my channel. Bye.